Radon is a naturally occurring poisonous gas that can enter your home without detection. Over time, it can lead to lung cancer and death. It's important to know that any amount of radon exposure comes with this risk. At 3Rs, we know how concerning this can be. You should have peace of mind in your own home. So how do you know if you and your family are safe from the effects of radon? The only way is to get your home tested. There are 3 ways to determine your radon exposure. The first is through DIY test kits that you can buy at many big box stores. These results are generally accurate. However, DIY tests leave room for improper placement and sample collection, risking an inaccurate result. You'll likely get it right, but be aware. The second is through home inspector tests when you're buying or selling a home. Most home inspectors in Oregon make this part of their routine now. Note that if you're buying a home, be sure to test for radon. The third is to hire a certified radon measurement expert. With a professional test, you can expect the most accurate results. See the NRPP Pro Search page link in the description below to find one near you. If you decide to go the DIY route, you should place your test at the lowest level of the home, in the lowest traffic area, and under closed conditions, meaning no open doors or windows. Most tests will take 48 hours, including ones performed by professionals. If you decide to hire our Pro Measurement services, we can perform any range of testing with readings by the hour to determine how conditions affect your radon exposure. Once you know your radon levels, how do you decide when to take further action? Remember that you should avoid any level of exposure. The outside air in this region is typically 0.4 picocuries per liter. Getting your home as close to that as possible is the goal. The EPA's current action level is 10 times higher. That's equivalent to smoking half a pack of cigarettes or more every day. If you average this or higher, you should start mitigation ASAP. The World Health Organization is more conservative, recommending mitigation at 2.7 or above. At 3Rs, we believe any exposure is too much and will get your home as close to the outside air as possible. If your radon exposure levels are close to your goal, plan on testing again every couple of years. For a free download of this PDF, follow the link below. Still not sure if you need to test for radon? Imagine 20,000 bees are living right below your home, and a few of them find their way inside through cracks in your foundation and framing. The odds are still in your favor that you won't get stung. There are only a few bees, and you might avoid them. The longer you're in the same space together, though, the more likely it is you'll get stung. And remember, more are coming in every day. Now imagine that those bees are invisible and don't make any noise. You can't simply avoid them. Does that make you more nervous? It should. With radon, it's not the same as some tiny sting. You're up against lung cancer and death. While there's always a chance you won't have any health issues, what about your family, your pets, your guests? Just a little radon can cause a big problem. Test your home today and gain peace of mind. If you've already tested and are ready to reduce your radon exposure, schedule our radon mitigation services today. Our team is standing by and will take great care of you. Remember to check out the links below for more information. And if this video was helpful for you, remember to like and subscribe.